Here she is. Big red. Finally getting a metal dumpster to clear out all our rare NOS parts out here. Look at that. Tell our fans what we found, Jeremy.
What we found?
Oh, look, there's a Chevelle hood. If anybody wants it, it'll be in the Macon County metal bin. Look at all this good shit.
I mean, we're being a little facetious. I ain't found nothing good yet. But I bet there's something in here good.
Yeah. Somewhere.
Somewhere. We're getting to the heavy stuff, I can tell you
No
that.
good, and it's raining. We picked the worst weekend to get this. We've had it scheduled for like a month. Here we go. Let's do it.
I just want y'all to see that this is dedication right here. You're blinding us. We can't see.
Working all day.
I've been staying under here.
That shows me throwing shit.
I said that. I was telling you.
Done. We didn't get much of an intro, but
I was telling everybody you were dedicated.
don't show them the good stuff I found. So what I'm gonna do is every like 30 seconds, I'm gonna cut in with some good shit so they keep watching.
Oh.
I'll show them that. Look over here. Look at in the dry. Look at that Ryobi light doing work.
Fun.
And that heart light doing work over there. We got to the heavy shit and then we quit.
We got to get the tractor tomorrow. You can see there's a bunch of old
motivator
engines.
blocks over there.
Some old motors over
There's
there.
a door. We'll put them doors up there at the shed. We want to buy them.
Them should be good.
That's a good ladder. There's my dirt max exhaust.
Yeah, I think she's gonna go too.
How about up, boy? I hope there's a damn anaconda coming out of there. You better call it a heart light in the forward.
I didn't realize how much longer that one is.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying. I think we can put, the Chrysler go on one side and the Dodge back here.
In the front
And
and
in the front, the Ford and the Chevrolet.
Chevrolet.
Paige's truck.
Oh, you gonna try and put it in here?
I'd like to.
Yeah, it's probably all. I'd say it all fit.
Yeah.
Probably hard to get in and out of the doors. We'll see.
Yeah, I mean, I may not put hers under here, but regardless, I think we can fit 4 under here.
We're getting there.
Yeah.
Oh, I forgot about that.
Yes.
My fifth wheel. Need to do something with that.
A couple of these Kragers I'm gonna save.
Getting close. Making progress.
Show them the dumpster. I'm gonna get the GoPro through stuff. Really.
I thought it was in a case.
No, I'm being a smart ass.
Oh, I thought you.
I
I thought you were being serious.
No. We emptied the trailer out. This is we've been watching. Which is in hindsight a bad idea to throw that little shit in there. Look at that right there. Son.
That's. It don't look like a lot, but it's
That's
a
a
lot.
lot.
It's a lot.
We still got a lot to go with.
That's
I'm
all right.
gonna fill her up.
Huh?
I'm gonna fill her up.
We're probably gonna fill it up.
He's probably like, these fuckers.
I
Drop
know.
that 40 foot off. They'll probably put like a pickup truck load in there.
Well, I'm
I
kind of
hope he
glad.
brings a big truck when he comes back.
I'm kind of glad that they brought the bigger one. That we actually ordered a smaller one, but they ran out and brought us a big one.
We also had it ordered for like a month, and then the rain was here. We were drenched, soaked.
I'm wet.
Show him yourself. You're wet. It's wet.
And blind now.
I'm blind. So yeah, that's about a wrap for night. We're gonna go get us pizza. We'll be back at 7 o'clock sharpish.
Little Peachers.
We'll get it on one of our trips down.
7 a.m. He's already bossing.
It's not 7.
It's not 7. We were gonna start at 7.
It's 8. And bossing's what I do. It's
So-
my calling.
Here's our other shit. Hey, there's our. Remember our one? Well, that one's the $100 buy or $200. What did we pay for these?
We bought them all in one.
I know, but that was the name of the video. It was like $100 Facebook Marketplace or something.
$200 for everything, I think.
We really done a lot with it since.
Yeah.
The earth's slowly taking. Can we just pick that up and put it in the metal bin, you think?
Probably. We got time. We'll get to it. We're
Yeah.
finally making progress now.
So this is going to be our tractor shed. Right now it's just...
Found a hole in the bottom of the...
Yeah, I'm sure we'll have a couple. We'll get a patch. There's some good stuff in here. Bunch of heads. Oh, most of those heads are under there.
Yeah, there's gonna be a lot of stuff to go through.
Yeah, so we're going to get started. I don't know what the weight rating is on this Kubota, but there's probably a dozen cylinder heads in here, and the front tires are barely touching the steer. Sweet beast though. Bringing the reinforcements to the old tractor. Scoop up some of this trash, get out of the way.